Okay, people, we are here to talk about relationships today. I'm not a relationship therapist, but my fans are disturbing me with their relationship issues to advise them on what to do. So I know the relationship therapist. I say make I bring and come on a table, Mona help me advise them. After listening to them, please do not insult anybody. I repeat again, do not insult anybody. They will be on the comment section taking the advice from you people on the comment section. I don't want to advise anybody based on my own understanding. So I want every one of you, after listening to the video, to please chip in your own advice, what you think is best for her. But please do not insult anybody. Do not insult her. If you still have your own relationship problem, please notify me. Send me voice note in my inbox. I will bring it out and you'll be on the comment section and watch what fans have to tell you, the advice they will have for you. So we have a whole lot of them we will bring, but it will not be on one clip to avoid a very long video. It will not be on one clip to avoid a very long video. We will make it different, separate. So my name is Chidima, popularly known as Pretty Chit, your girl Pretty Chit. Please, if you are coming across our video for the first time, please follow my Facebook page, my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube, and follow my Instagram handle at Pretty Chicabros. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, depending on when you are coming across this video. So what we're talking about this minute is about one of my fans. She said she has been in a relationship for 10 years. 10 good years, not 10 months. And I'm trying to be fast so that this video will not be so long. That's why I'm trying to rush things. So she has been in a relationship for 10 years. Because of this relationship, the relationship is complicated. It's two sideways. But a relationship is not just a bed of roses, though we know. But there are some things you can still tolerate. There are some you can't tolerate. There are some things you can't take. Also, can I bring and come and help me suggest what you not take? She done the relationship for 10 years. In the 10 years of this relationship, it has been I don't know, but she said in these 10 years of this relationship, Oga beat him like 6-7 good years. So Oga beat him, stayed. In fact, Oga they beat him, not be just 6-7 good years. Say to even go visit Oga, she dey fear sometimes. Out of say make she no go do more, Oga go beat him. And she dey respect Oga. She never insult Oga before since wedding starts. She never end call on Oga before on the phone if Oga dey quarrel to am on the phone. Say fear no dey let her because if Oga catch am na beat. Say she never walk away from Oga before. She never utter a relationship where she dey into. She no fit argue with her man. I don't know, but she's in love. And secondly, she dey fear say if she leave the guy, nobody fit dey by his side. Say she when they meet, Oga no get nothing. Na she been dey there, sacrifice a lot. Say she don't follow Oga sleep for ground for so long, bare floor. She don't follow Oga sleep for bare floor for so long. She dey shop for Oga every year, like every year. Get one boutique where they her junction where she dey stay, male boutique where she dey give them money small. Anyone where she pay finish, she go carry and keep. Anyone where she pay finish, she go carry and keep. Before you know it, she go don't buy plenty clothes for Oga. Either she go carry and go when she dey go visit Oga, or she go do and wear be Oga go carry am because Oga no get time to buy clothes. So she don't sacrifice the law without money, being with Oga for years without money. Before Oga begin see one naira, come dey chop food. No be so Oga don't really make money. Come begin see 1 naira. So Oga on his own, as he begin see 1 naira, Oga was there too. Now Oga they use a hand, call him for phone, say you no go make hair, your hair never do to change, your cream never finish, you no go outing, or you take this one go outing. Today na Sunday, no day house, just go outing, but dey careful. You don't see him now, say Oga dey good on his own side. But the major problem where she get be say Oga get pride. Oga dey temperamental. Oga get pride. For the 10 years of the relationship, Oga never say sorry before. Whether na she dey wrong, I mean Oga dey wrong, Oga never say sorry. Na she go still say sorry for the relationship to dey and back to the move, even when oga dey wrong. So this time around, oga come offend am. Due to all the accumulated anger, everything what oga don do, she can't say, does it mean if I didn't say sorry, oga no go say sorry? So she can't say she no go say sorry this time around. Make she watch. And she no say sorry. They can't nobody can call each other for one good year. She can't let herself to see person where they like this guy go red. Because even if you go in house, if you no want bath for night, oga go dey beg am, or you go bath. She go say she no get strength. Oga go say, okay, I'll buy you shawarma tomorrow if you go bath. She go say no. Oga go beg, okay, I'll dash you 5,000. She go say no, 10,000. She'll can't agree. Can't go bath. If she bath, and oga go still give am that 10K wey promise am the next day. Or as he talk am, he go still do am, no be joke. So all those kind of things, the relationships they good, they in one side of it. But the bad side of it be say, how you go dey relationship with man? Say you go count how many times oga don kneel am down. No. For night, say little misunderstanding, oga go tell her make she kneel down. Your own girlfriend make she kneel down, and she go still obey, kneel down till daybreak, and she no go even when oga dey sleep. She no go fit stand up because she dey fear say she fit stand up, sleep go catch her na midnight. Oga go fit wake up at any time, come see say she don stand up. Oga go still beat her. She dey fear oga. She go still kneel down, dey cry till daybreak. While oga go just relax, dey sleep. They treat your own woman like say she be your house girl just because of one or two. But in terms of money, oga no dey deny her money. Oga no dey even wait for her to ask. Oga dey use him hand to give am, use him hand to ask am. He never need money. This one way you never ask me for money. Be like say you owe money, send account number. If I don't dey ask her, because oga tell you account number. If you receive alert, let me know. So that's just it. It's just complicated. It's two sideways. So she's confused now. She now start begging oga after 1 year. Oga say you came late. I waited for you to apologize since, but you didn't come. Okay, assuming I've gone into another relationship for this 1 year, we've not been together. Now wait till oga ask am, wait till you for do. Now you're coming back to beg. If I don't go into relationship, I go throw away the new girl, go back to you. No. But I waited for you to come since you didn't come. You're coming after 1 year. That was too late. You came late. So she was like, since you've not gone into another relationship, let's forgive. Let's amend things and go back how we were before. Oga say no, madam, go and work on yourself. Have a lot of work to do on yourself. Madam shocked for the first time in her life. Like after 10 years of dating you. Now Oga don't get money now, normally now. But not be the money, oh. Oga don't even get money before the issue happened last year. The issue still there on ground. So oga don't get money now because they tell and say you get a lot of work to do on yourself. Girl will never insult you for the first time before in her life. I never ended call on you. I never cheated on you for 10 years of relationship. I never disobeyed you. I'm telling her she has a lot of work to do on herself. Like what? That if she really want to be in a relationship, either him or anybody, she needs to work on herself. Are you kidding me? So now babe they cry, come to me say if she feel see person we go dey nice to am like oga, not be person where they pit and say she's ready to move on, but she's scared she feel enter another relationship, that person go worse pass oga. Say she won't go another relationship, say she don't tire, say even though if oga should marry am now, oga feel still dey maltreat am. Say this kind of relationship they fear am. She love the oga, but the relationship they fear am. So I try round them up, make the conversation dey fast. I beg anything you think, go to comment section. She'll be on the comment section watching all our comments. Please go to comment section. She be your own suggestion. If you still have, let me not say if you still have someone for her. She didn't ask me to do that, but fine, it's fine, Sha. But please, anything you have to say, any suggestion, just do not insult her. Just your suggestion, your opinion, that's all she's, your advice, that's all she's asking of. Do not insult her because she's already broken. Please do not insult her. Thank you guys. I'm bringing another one very, very soon. But please, your advice, your opinion, your suggestion should be on the comment section. Do not insult. Bye.